Hi, this is Nolan from Benchmark, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to change the icon and color of your project indicator inside of Juniper's Uinta. So what I'm going to do to begin here is I'm going to select a project. In this case, I'm going to use my Benchmark project name project. I'm going to click on the edit icon, and you can see I have two different options, one for color, one for icon, and I also have the ability to rename my project if I so please. But what I'm going to do from orange here, I'm going to change this to a nice shade of red. And then from my icon drop down here, I'm going to scroll down, and instead of using this point icon, I'm going to use the pin icon to then save my project change. I'm going to hit the check mark at the bottom right of this menu. That is going to save my change, and I have successfully changed the color and icon of my project. And if you have a moment, I would please ask you to hit that subscribe button down below. It really does help us out and helps me keep making these videos. And if you have any questions about anything you've seen in today's video or any questions about anything you've seen on our YouTube channel, please give us a call at 1-888-286-3204 or visit us on the web at bench-mark.ca.